What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be doing the feral predator from Prey. Now, obviously, this picture looks nothing like the character, and the reason for that is because I'm going to do my own artistic style with this piece. I had a sculpture that I did, this dude. I mostly recorded it for TikTok, but it's an original character, and I wanted to kind of segue into this style with this character. So I'm gonna see how this looks, and if you guys want to see more of like my own original kind of style put into these sculptures, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, I can always go back to creating the character as they look. So let's get right into the video.
Just the same as we always start, here we've got the armature wire skeleton that we're getting into shape. This is a very important step, and you don't want to skimp out on it, so make sure you do your measurements, make sure everything's accurate, because if the foundation isn't right, the rest of the sculpture won't be either. And as I mentioned before, this armature isn't like 100% accurate to the source material, and the reason being is that I wanted to make this character more stylized, so you can tell it's the feral predator, but it's more in line with my artistic style, which was a lot more fun for me. It's a little bit more liberating to not have to 100% replicate what I'm looking at. And as I said before as well, if you guys want to see more of this style of sculpture from my channel, let me know and I can kind of integrate that into future videos. I think the most difficult part of this entire process was doing the face. I had difficulty all along the way. I struggled with his hands, I struggled with the face. The paint job gave me, oh my god, nightmares because the primer wasn't spraying correctly. It was just a whole process. This guy fought me tooth and nail the whole way. So show some love if you would be so kind. Just as a quick heads up, I do plan to do Null, the King in Black, as my next sculpture. I'm on the fence right now on whether he's going to be more stylized like this, or if I want to replicate his look from Marvel Contest of Champions, which, if you've seen my last upload, I do play frequently. So voice your opinion in the comments until I get to 500 subs and I can open the community tab. Speaking of 500 subs, I'm pretty sure I announced it in this video, but I'm going to say it again. Once I hit 500, I'm going to be doing a giveaway, and I think what I plan to do is build like an allotment, so it'll start with this predator, so this will be the first thing I give away, and I kind of want to build it up to where like any sculptures that I can give away along the way to 500 are going to be all part of the giveaway. So this will be the first guy, hypothetically Noel will be the second, and I don't know, Darth Maul could be the third, you know? So it's just going to build up. Here I'm finishing off the paint job as I typically do. Just a simple base coat followed with some extra details. If you struggle with this step like I kind of do, just follow the base coat and then add the details like a step at a time. It's what I find is the most effective for me because I'm not the best at painting. So yeah, I think that's it for this video in terms of me voicing it over. Just to recap, I do plan to do Null for the next sculpture, and keep your eyes open for 500 subs because I do plan to do a giveaway. If you guys want to see the giveaway sooner, share the channel and get me to 500 subs quicker, and we can do the giveaway quicker than anticipated.
Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed watching my sculpture process of my inspired look of the feral predator from Prey. As you can see, he doesn't have a stand, he's more of like a figure, so really fun process. Now, I would like to take a second to thank each and every one of you that is subscribed. Once I push the 500 subs threshold, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. Be it probably something along the style of this dude, because it's a lot easier to ship and I'm not as worried about it breaking in the mail as some other things. So yeah, spread word. Once we hit 500, I'll do a giveaway. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.